Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2. And the update is KB5079473, and I'll leave the video for the update link down below and in the end screen. Now, once again, unfortunately, Microsoft has let us know about a new known issue over on its known issues health dashboard page that this update is causing. And Microsoft has said, following the installation of Windows updates released on March 10 or 11, depending on your region, sign in with Microsoft accounts might fail for some Microsoft applications, including Microsoft Teams Free or OneDrive. Microsoft says that as a result of this issue, sign-in attempts will display an error message with text similar to, "You'll need the internet for this. It doesn't look like you're connected to the internet. Check your connection and try again." This appears, Microsoft says, even if the device is connected to the internet. Now, as a side note, Microsoft says that this issue occurs only with sign-in operations involving Microsoft accounts, which are commonly used for Microsoft Teams Free. Other apps affected include Microsoft Edge, Excel, Word, and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft mentions that whenever a feature in these apps requires Microsoft account sign-in, the same message can be encountered. Now, Microsoft has provided a workaround, with Microsoft saying that this issue occurs when the device enters a specific network connectivity state and may result on its own. So if you encounter this issue, Microsoft says restart the device while keeping it connected to the internet. This should, Microsoft says, repair the device connectivity state and prevent the issue from occurring. But once again, as a side note, Microsoft says, however, please note that if the device is restarted without an active internet connection, it might return to a connectivity state where the issue can occur again with the same said error message. Now, the next steps, Microsoft says, it's working to release a resolution for this issue in the next few days. So obviously that could be an out-of-band update that Microsoft will roll out. So try the workaround if you are affected. And obviously, when that resolution does roll out, I'll post and keep you guys in the loop. And the affected platforms are Windows 11, 25, and 24H2. There's no server editions that are affected by this issue, according to Microsoft. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.